Hello everyone! And today let's play chess. Okay, so 3 plus 2, what pieces? Now let's play the London system. Ooh, h6, provoke. So bishop f4, maybe he play a6. Did I get? a6, what a move, a brilliant. If he played d5, position is okay, but a6. Okay, here, now I can have some interesting move. Sorry for this. Can play bishop e5, f6, and play e4 with checkmate, or can just play bishop g3. Let's play bishop e5 to have something for fun. So f6. Oh, what a move. So now, what can we play queen d3? Threatening checkmate. You can see it or not. You can play e4 at some point, but queen d3 look that's really beautiful to play. I think he will take checkmate. Okay, maybe I have to play e4. Okay, now he played this. He played really strange move. His white square you can see is really weak. I think on g6 check. Okay, and then maybe we can play d5. Let's put the bishop here. Control, control, and then maybe e3. E3 maybe get bishop b5 at some point. Or here to play d5, bishop f5. You can see that now if I play here and I get my bishop and f5, it's checkmate. You can see that with 6, d5, and then f6. It's really weak. So, okay, we block it. Why not? Maybe I play the move c4. Or let's play the move h4. We want to destroy this. This we play maybe. Okay, let's play queen d3. Because he attacked my queen. So now we go to the queen side to attack. Okay, let's play c4. Play knight c3. And then knight f3. And castle. Okay, knight c3. Here I just play queen b2. And then I play a3. You can see that black only played his pawn and his knight. With a3. Attack with tempo the knight. And then let's develop the pieces. Threatening take on g5. He block it, we play d5, and I want to open this. So now I think I can take first and then take this pawn. Wow, there are no checkmates. Annoying. Maybe bishop e2. Oh, okay, maybe now I take it. I exchange the rook. So this rook defend the king, you can see, and now if I exchange this king, okay. I think I can take this pawn, win a pawn. Rook takes, I take with the rook, and I play rank castle. Or bishop e2. Bishop h5, run to the king. Okay, we play the king again. Okay, now c3. Have to open the game, because now you can see black is doing anything. So now, bishop takes c5. I win a pawn. And then I grand castle. And you can see that now it's not the white square that is really weak, but now the black square. Okay, so maybe if I can put the knight on b6 is really cool. So I can attack this king. Better, so knight b6 next. Knight b6. And the rook has no square. Rook e7. If I want to take the rook, I play here and I win a rook. Of this position, just completely winning. Maybe I can play queen a5 first to do something. Okay. You want to search some counterattack with this? I think I can just have rook f1 because if he takes, I takes, he takes, when I'm clicking d1, he takes, and I checkmated. So okay, I have a really beautiful trap here, but okay, just blend by the queen. Okay, so this player very shocked me with his move. Okay, and we come back to the analyst. Okay, so we analyze the game. I think we play really good. Okay, let's see. I think position. Okay, maybe in this position, 4 is better. Okay, bishop b8 is not an impression, of course. White can win more easily, but bishop b8 you can just win the game easily. So okay, we play with 5 impression. So let's see the game. Okay, queen d3, I said to you, it's not a really good move. I have to play bishop g3 or e4. But okay, if you will see the game, h6 to play g5, bishop e5, best move you can see. Queen d3, bishop g3, develop the pieces, h4, queen d3, knight c6, knight c3, we play with. Okay, now a3. Now best move knight e4, but a3, we push the knight out, and knight f3. Okay, so we play a really good game, and nothing to say. And that is all, and he just blundered. Now you can see that the black square is finished, and then we just finished the game eating the queen. And that it's for this game, and thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.